To deposit or withdraw funds on Avatrade, follow these steps. Depositing funds. Log into your account. Visit Avatrade's website or app and sign in with your credentials. Go to the deposit section. Navigate to the deposit tab within your account dashboard. Select the payment method. Avatrade offers various deposit options such as bank transfer, credit or debit card, and e-wallets like PayPal or Skrill. Choose the method that suits you best. Enter deposit amount. Specify the amount you wish to deposit. Make sure it meets Avatrade's minimum deposit requirements. Complete the deposit. Follow the instructions provided to finalize the deposit. Funds usually appear instantly for card or e-wallet deposits, but bank transfers may take a few days. Withdrawing funds. Go to the withdrawal section. In your account, navigate to the withdrawal tab. Select withdrawal method. Choose a withdrawal method. Avatrade generally processes withdrawals back to the original deposit source for security. Enter withdrawal amount. Specify the withdrawal amount. Be sure to review any more withdrawal limits. Complete the withdrawal request. Submit your request. Withdrawals are typically processed within 1 to 2 business days, but bank transfers may take longer. Confirm completion. Check your account for updates and ensure funds reach the specified destination.